Hey guys, and welcome to my newest tutorial. In today's video, what we're gonna talk about is how you can import any token to your MetaMask crypto wallet. So the first thing you're gonna do is of course open the MetaMask crypto wallet and scroll down till the end, and you're gonna see the import tokens plus button. You're gonna left click on that and we're gonna get taken to this page right here, which is the search button. Import tokens enhanced token detection is currently available on Ethereum mainnet, so you can enable it from settings. But right here I'm just gonna search for whatever coin, let's say my coin. Left click on here, whichever coin you like to add, and just click on next. So would you like to import this token? Import. And that's it. We've successfully imported my coin, which we can buy and sell. We can send it, we can swap it, we can bridge it. And we have no transactions since we just added it. So basically, you can also hide it and you can view assets on other scan. You can also see token details. And that's it basically for today's video. Thank you guys for watching as always, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye.